I greet you all. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your boy Gary Berry. I work by Air by Tango. Today I'm going to show you how they do repair for natural dreadlocks. Remember, if you are doing repair, you first remove the rock which you have found in the customer hair. Then you start to lock. But make sure that when you are locking, you have to be serious on what you are doing. As you see what I'm doing, molding gel, we have to use, not using molding gels. I don't know what you are doing, because if you put molding gel, your customer hair, it will become soft as you see. Yeah, now I'm trying to look and see what I'm doing. I greet you all. Don't forget to subscribe and comment on my YouTube channel. I use by name Gary Berry UG. Thank you all. See what I'm doing so that you can learn how to lock the customer hair.
Honey andabidde kwa Angelina omuto kutamanyi bikuna eyajjula enneema kirabika yazalibwa Madina laba ntadde muloko lwaki onkola bwotyo ndi mu feeling I can't control sona pe mu kiroto I'm over you mbuli byakola abuli byakola I'm over you binkolera jagala emergency oh netaga emergency oh jagala emergency oh netaga emergency oh ndikukalilo kukwe balingo besabyame kukwe balingo besabyame nchimanyi wande ndifunayo bade wadotunuza bukambwe oliba bwange esambe I'm over you mbuli byakola abuli byakola I'm over you binkolera jagala emergency oh netaga emergency oh jagala emergency oh netaga emergency oh ndikukalira ndabidde kwa Angelina omuto kutamanyi bikuna eyajjula enneema kirabika yazalibwa Madina kukwe balingo besabyame kukwe balingo besabyame I'm over you mbuli byakola abuli byakola I'm over you binkolera jagala emergency oh netaga emergency oh jagala emergency oh netaga emergency oh ndikukalilo.
I think you have seen what I'm doing. That is what we call repair for natural dreadlocks. That is what we call repair for natural dreadlocks. As you see how our customer it looks like. I think those who are saying that you have to use combs, manyavichi, what. Remember dreadlocks, you know the word dreadlocks comes from. It is dreadlocks. How can you get that lock when you have not used your crochet needle or crochet hook? That is the word comes from the lock. You have to lock, not just to leave. A comb can't lock. it is just rotating. Now this is what we call dreadlocks. You have to use a crochet hook or a silver needle. You have to lock with that. Make sure that you do the good work. I greet you all. Bye bye. Thank you those who are watching me on my YouTube channel. I greet you all. Bye bye.